Imagine sitting 2 feet away from the love of your life, seeing her cry over you, and not being able to say, "Honey, I'm right here." That was Odysseus's night. Queen Penelope asked to speak with the beggar. She wanted to know if he had heard any news about her husband. Odysseus spun a fake story, but he described Odysseus so perfectly, his clothes, his brooch, his crew, that Penelope broke down in tears. It took every ounce of Odysseus's willpower not to hug her. Instead, he told her, "Don't worry, your husband will be home very soon." Penelope, grateful for the hope, ordered her oldest servant, Eurycleia, to wash the beggar's feet. This was a disaster waiting to happen. Eurycleia had nursed Odysseus when he was a baby. She knew his body better than anyone. Specifically, she knew about the scar. Years ago, Odysseus was gored by a wild boar on his thigh. It left a jagged, unmistakable scar. Odysseus tried to sit in the shadows, but as Eurycleia washed his leg, her hand felt the scar. She froze. She dropped his foot into the metal basin with a loud clang. She looked up, eyes wide, about to scream, "My king!" In a split second, the feeble beggar moved like a viper. Odysseus grabbed her by the throat with one hand and pulled her close. He whispered, "Nanny, do you want to kill me? Be quiet or I will have to kill you too." Terrified and tearful, she nodded. She kept his secret. Meanwhile, Penelope, who miraculously missed all this drama, made a huge announcement. She was done waiting. She told the beggar, "Tomorrow I will hold a contest. I will bring out Odysseus's great bow. Whoever can string the bow and shoot an arrow through the handle holes of 12 axes, I will marry him." She thought no one could do it. But the beggar smiled in the shadows, because he knew exactly who could do it.